Get in my hole. Oh, Jesus. Jesus Christ. This is it being mocked up. We've got one piece in so far. The other side's going, which is all going to have to be pie cut in to get the tips to fit. And we got the rest of it all in yesterday. Got the lambda sensor bosses to drill in and weld in later, but that's an easy job. It's obviously got 2 wide bands at the front. Attached to the Zerkotech coated manifolds, equal length obviously, and then 3" all the way to the 2 silencers. We've got slip-on tips, so for track days I can put in baffles depending on how loud this thing's actually going to be. If it's quieter than we expected, then it will be getting valves in it. But yeah, it should all come together this afternoon. We'll get it on. Custom made tips. Custom Y pieces, which took 3 hours to make yesterday. And then we've got this is how the tip actually comes out of one of the silencers. So we've got to have 2 crossover pipes because of the silencer setup. And then that runs up over the top onto the rest of the system. 2 slip joints, so it's still removable in 3 sections as the OE exhaust was, for ease of working on it really, which happens quite a lot. The exacting process of getting this tacked up, oh, that is going to be beautiful. The concentration on this chap's face, that's going to be pucker, that is. Mother pucker. Have you marked the back one?
No, I haven't yet, Dave. Not quite perfect.
Are we going to do tack the front and then do that one? Sweet damn, that's going to be awesome. I'm not. It's supposed to happen. Do it again. Oh, shit! Picking up the little pie slices. Nick loves a good pie.
Everybody loves pie.
We does, stunners. Oh my god, it's going to be so awesome. Oh, we got it going on. Nice.